Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Equipment Marketing. Today I'm going to give you a nice video here of a 2015 MOFFETT M8 55.3 sitting here showing 1,736 hours. Now this is a special unit because it has the taller 12-foot mast. Now if you take a look here, it's got new front rubber. Let's take a look at the back. In the back here we have brand new rubber too. Now you have new rubber all the way around. Now this thing has been completely refurbished and repainted. When we repaint these, we go ahead and take off the roll cage. So take a look here. Like you can see, there's new bolts. Same way with this diamond plating. See how these covers have been off? Same way with the hydraulic manifold cover and the battery cover. Now we do that the seat, the hood, the back door, anything that's easily removable that's gray. We paint those gray parts separately and then we put it back together. That way we can get a deep coat of paint way up in there and make sure everything's covered real nicely. Let's take a look in the back here. All your oils have been checked. Your oil's been changed. There's your date coded filters, your Kubota engine. Look, even the hydraulic tank is painted there. Look how the paint's way up in. Your engine's looking beautiful and repainted. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let's look underneath. Also, you have new decals all the way around. Now, also, when we refurbish these, we look for things wearable, such as pins, bushings, mast bearings, chains, rollers. Anything that we can find that's wearable, that's out of spec and worn too far, we go ahead and replace it. If it's found to be in spec, we let it go. Now this thing with the year and the hours, I don't see new hoses, but if we find leaking hoses or cylinders or a weak hydraulic motor or pump, we take care of that too. We give you what we call an operational guarantee. What that means, it'll be sitting here in the condition I've given you today when you get it, or we'll help you get it fixed. Now that's over once you get it. It's the way I said, but don't worry. Take a look again once again. That Kubota engine is guaranteed by us for another 30 days. Now, we're going to fire it up, just show you a little bit of hydraulics. Take it for a little figure eight here in the shop, just to show you how nice she runs, then we're going to end the video. Now remember, you have yourself a tall 10-foot, 12-foot mast. You also have yourself your lumbar forks and your backrest. This thing is really sitting nice. There's your engine coming to life. Now we're going to show you the mast going up and down. Tilt, side shift, outriggers, mast going in and out. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there's your horn. Look how nice and tight, in sync everything is. This thing is running like a champ. Now you can give us a call at 260-238-4998. You can check us out on the web, 99lifts.com. Thanks for watching this video.